Looking for the best mini PCs under $1,000 in 2024? Today we're diving into the world of compact computing to find the top options that won't break the bank. These mini PCs, also known as new Cs or thin clients, pack a punch with their impressive performance despite their small size. Whether you need one for video conferencing, streaming, or general office tasks, we have got you covered. I have listed 5 best mini PCs under $1,000 for you to consider. Stay tuned, as links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Miniforum Elite Mini. My top choice for the best multimedia and everyday use mini PC under $1,000 is a sleek black unit equipped with powerful features. With its AMD Ryzen 7040 series CPU, it offers strong performance, boasting a base clock speed of 3.8 GHz and a boost clock up to 5.1 GHz. The graphics, powered by AMD Radeon 780M, deliver impressive visuals for gaming and content creation. Its versatility shines through its 8K video output, supporting multiple monitors for enhanced productivity. Additionally, expandable storage options allow for customization, with DDR5 SODIMM slots upgradable to 96 GB and PCI 4.0 SSD slots upgradable to 8 TB. A standout feature is its OT-Link support, offering lightning-fast external GPU connectivity with PCI 4.0x4 speeds. The package includes essential components like an HDMI cable, VESA mount support, vertical stand, and a US power adapter, ensuring convenience out of the box. This mini PC caters to various needs, whether for multimedia enjoyment, business tasks, or educational purposes, making it a reliable choice for diverse users. Number 4. Dell Optiplex. It is the best business tower mini PC under $1,000. With an Intel Core i5 processor and 16 GB of RAM, it smoothly runs multiple applications. The 512 GB PCI solid-state drive ensures fast boot-up and data transfer. It comes with a variety of ports including USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C and Type-A ports for easy connectivity. The Windows 11 Pro operating system allows for organized app layouts and intuitive navigation, enhancing productivity. Plus, storage expansion options are available for added convenience. Overall, it's a reliable choice for business use. Number 3. Beelink S12 Pro. It is best for business and office use mini PC under $1,000. This mini PC runs on the latest Intel 12th Gen processor, providing over 25% higher performance. Its compact size makes it ideal for flexible working, while its 16 GB DDR4 RAM and 500 GB SSD offer smooth multitasking and ample storage. With Intel UHD graphics and support for 4K video playback, it's perfect for multimedia tasks and online education. The mini PC features dual HDMI ports for dual-screen display and supports VESA mounting for a clutter-free setup. It boasts stable Wi-Fi 6 and fast Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, making it suitable for various wireless devices. Plus, its upgraded USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports offer faster data transfer speeds. Efficient heat dissipation ensures optimal performance, while additional features like Wake on LAN and Auto Power on enhance its usability. Overall, this mini PC is a versatile and affordable solution for businesses, home offices, multimedia tasks, and education. Number 2. Lenovo ThinkCentre. I recommend this for best reliable mini PC under $1,000. It's designed for business use, running on Windows 11 Pro. With 16 GB RAM and a 1 TB PCIe NVMe M2 solid-state drive, it ensures smooth multitasking and fast boot-up. Powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, it delivers efficient performance with Intel UHD graphics. Tech specs include various ports like USB A 3.0, USB A 2.0, USB Type-C, HDMI, DisplayPort, and more for versatile connectivity. It comes with a wired keyboard and mouse, along with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth capabilities. Windows 11 Pro offers enterprise-grade security and management tools, enhancing productivity with features like Remote Desktop and Cortana. This black Mini PC also includes a microphone for added convenience. Number 1. Apple Mac Mini. And here is my top choice for best overall Mini PC under $1,000. It's a versatile device suitable for multimedia, personal, and business use. Running on the Mac OS, it boasts 256 GB of storage and 8 GB of RAM. Powered by the M2 chip, it delivers exceptional speed and performance with 8 CPU cores and 10 GPU cores. Connectivity is a breeze with 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, Gigabit Ethernet, and a headphone jack. This Mini PC is compatible with a wide range of apps and plugins optimized for the M2 chip, including Microsoft 365, Adobe Creative Cloud, and Zoom. With up to 24 GB of unified memory, multitasking and handling large files is a breeze. Storage won't be an issue either, thanks to the fast SSD storage options available, up to 2 TB. Plus, with industry-leading privacy and security features, your data stays safe. Whether you're creating presentations, editing photos, or gaming, this Mini PC can handle it all. And with easy setup and compatibility with Apple accessories, it's a convenient choice for any user. To wrap it up, those are our top picks for the best Mini PCs under $1,000 in 2024. Remember to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow anglers, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy computing!